Puppy, I warned you. I warned you, puppy. I told you to get a job. I told you to lose some weight because you're getting fat. And you didn't listen. You didn't listen, puppy. You did not listen. No, no. I'm not gonna pet you, puppy. You know why? You know why I'm not gonna pet you? No, puppy, your nibbles aren't going to work. Your nibbles are useless now. You've been replaced by the new model. Hello, little puppet. Hello. Yes, you're a good girl. Oh, yes, you're such a nice puppy. Look at you. You're slim. You're healthy. You're good looking. You're athletic. Yes, you're a much better puppy. Oh, and you lick my fingers so good. Yes. Yes, you're a good puppy. Not like this. Like this. It's about time we had something like this in this house. Not this. This. Not this. This. This something we haven't had. Not this we had before. That is not what we have now. But this. Boopy. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Boop, boop. Puppy, I'm gonna boop you on the nose. You ready? You ready, puppy? Boop. Yeah. What do you want? Don't try to lick me. No. Go away. 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 Hey, little puppy. Yes, little puppy. Oh, such a good girl. Look at you with your dainty little bow and your dainty little collar. Yes, you're so adorable. Here's your close-up, Mr. DeVille. And you're so much more photogenic. Look at those starlet's eyes. You can barely see your eyes. What do you want? Get away. Get away. Get away. Get away. Get away. The act of a desperate puppy. Oh well. What do you want, puppy? You want a treat? You want his toys? He doesn't need his toys anymore. I'm gonna give you all his toys. Puppy. Puppy. I hope you're good at video games, puppy.